If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and let's get into it. These are 10 facts about volcanoes. There are no active volcanoes in Australia because it sits on a tectonic plate. There are about 20 to 30 volcanic eruptions on land every year. It is widely believed that all the water on Earth was vented into the atmosphere by active volcanoes. Some volcanic islands have black beaches because the sand is made of basalt. About 20% of all Earth's volcanoes are underwater. In the Middle Ages, many believed that volcanoes were entrances into the underworld. Japan holds 10% of all the world's active volcanoes. The largest volcano in our solar system is the Olympus Mons, which is on Mars, but it is now extinct. The word volcano is from the Latin Vulcan, who is the Roman god of fire. Indonesia, Japan, and the US have the most active volcanoes in the world.